In this video, we're going to talk about making solutions. So the important thing to remember when we're making solutions is that you need to know the grams of solute. So in this first example, it says how many grams of NaCl with a molar mass of 58.44 grams per mole are needed to make 0.43 liters of a 2.7 molar solution. Well, if you recall, molarity is equal to moles over liters. Let's fill in the information we have. So it tells us it's a 2.7 molar solution. It's asking for grams. So in order to get grams, we're going to need the moles. And then it tells us that it's a 0.43 liter solution. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 0.43. 0.43 times 2.7 gives me a answer of 1.161 moles. Now, using that moles, we can do a one-step conversion to figure out the number of grams. So we have 1.161 moles, and the molar mass is given here. So for every 1 mole, we have a molar mass of 58.44 grams. So we multiply straight through and we get 67.848. And if you're looking at the original number, 2.7, we need to round this to 2 sig figs. So our final answer would be 68 grams. All right, in our second example, it says how many grams of NaOH are needed to make 750 milliliters of a 1.5 molar solution. So notice that our volume is given in milliliters. The molarity equation requires this to be in liters, so we need to convert this. So we have 750 milliliters. There are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So 750 divided by 1,000 gives us 0.75 liters. All right, so again, we're using the molarity equation. We'll plug in what we know. It's asking us to make a 1.5 molar solution. It's asking us for grams, so we're going to need moles. And our volume, 0.75 liters. So we'll multiply both sides by 0.75 to get moles by itself. So 0.75 times 1.5 gives us an answer of 1.125 moles. The question's asking us for grams, so let's take the moles and let's convert it to grams. So for every 1 mole, we have a molar mass of 40 grams. So multiply straight through, and we get an answer of 45 grams. All right, in our final example, it says determine the concentration of a 0.25 liter solution containing 4.5 grams of CuCl2. So we've got a volume, and that's it. We need to convert our grams to moles so that we can use this with our molarity equation. So we have 4.5 grams. Our molar mass is 134.45 grams. That's how many grams are in 1 mole. So we get an answer of 0.033 469691 moles. And we need to use that whole number in our molarity equation. We don't want to round our middle steps. So molarity equals moles over liters. We're trying to find molarity here, so we're going to take our moles, our really big number, and we're going to divide that by the volume. I get an answer of 0.1338, and we have two significant figures here, so let's go ahead and round this to 0.13 molar. And that is how to make solutions.